Your AC is secretly wasting money every day. Fix these 8 small mistakes and keep $100 plus in your pocket. Implementing simple, consistent AC maintenance hacks can lead to over $100 in annual energy savings. Key strategies include optimizing thermostat settings, maintaining clean components, and reducing the load on the system. Here are the top AC maintenance hacks that save at least $100 a year. Install a smart/programmable thermostat. ENERGY STAR certified smart thermostats can save approximately $100 per year by automatically adjusting temperatures when you are away or sleeping. Adjust thermostat by a few degrees. Simply raising the temperature on your cooling system by a couple of degrees in the summer can result in significant annual savings. Regularly clean or replace air filters. Clogged filters force the AC to work harder, consuming more energy. Regular cleaning ensures efficiency and lowers bills. Use ceiling fans. Running ceiling fans allows you to raise the thermostat setting without sacrificing comfort, reducing AC runtime and saving money. Clean the condenser coils. Cleaning the exterior unit's coils and ensuring proper airflow around the motor reduces strain, increasing efficiency and preventing expensive repairs. Seal windows and doors. Preventing cold air from escaping, and hot air from entering, keeps your home efficiently cooled, reducing the load on your AC. Use curtains and blinds. Closing blinds or curtains on the sunny side of the house prevents solar heat gain, significantly reducing the cooling load. Utilize the 3-minute rule. Wait at least 3 minutes before turning your AC back on after it shuts off. This stabilizes the system and reduces stress on the compressor, preventing costly damage. Unplug energy vampires. Unplugging electronics that are not in use prevents small, constant energy draws that can add up to $100 a year.